All right, good morning. Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you're here. My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader, Forex trader, here to help you understand the market. From an Elliott Wave perspective, I'm on the job site right now and want to just get you guys a quick update and see what's going on. We're going to look at Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum kind of together as just three correlating pairs. Always correlate your pairs because whatever one is doing, the others are doing as well. So don't forget, this isn't financial advice, never intended to be so. This is just my look on the market. So I'm not telling you how to spend your money, I'm showing you how I spend mine. All right, let's jump in. All right, from yesterday's update, it looks like we've got a validated count finally as to what's finished here. We've got a 1, 2, 3. No, let me start that over. Sorry about that. We got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a finished wave. The reason we know that's a finished wave is because we did not get another 5 waves to the downside. We got another 3 waves to the downside. So we got this 3-wave move, a 3-wave move. So we're almost certain to get one more 3-wave move to the upside. As certain as you can be in any market, but it's as certain as I can come up with. Because this is not the beginning of an impulse wave unless this is a 1-2-1-2, and then what we would have in our hands then, guys, is a very, very, very small B wave. We would be dealing with an A. There's our B right there, and then we got C coming down. Don't think that's likely. I think we're going to get a nice candle up here to the upside here shortly. Let's see here. Probably looking to the 1-to-1 extension here to the 1-2-7-6. So it may be more of a, it's going to be more of a flat. It's going to probably not reach the $7,500 level in most cases. It's probably not going to get up there. We'll have to wait and see. But right now, my target is going to be about 74.67 to the 127 extension. If we make it up to the 1618 extension, that'd be nice. It'd be 75.50 to get up there. That'd be a nicer size B wave. I'd like that a little bit more as far as just proportionality, I guess I should say. So I'm looking for this to be a nice A, B, and then we're going to get a C wave to the downside. Where would that C wave take us if we get it there? Glad you asked. We got boom, boom, somewhere around in there. So we're looking at about 68.24 to 66.56. Those are our two targets there for a downside potentially. So let's watch those targets. Let's see what we get. But I'm still looking at this as an ABC, still looking not as an impulse wave. This is all corrective in this region here. Should have one more hit to the upside, I would imagine, today. Looks like she's trying to today for sure this morning. So yeah, that's Bitcoin. Still looking good from yesterday's targets. Remember the targets here. I'll go ahead and throw a target on there. You can take a screenshot if you like. 68. It's right there. 68.20 range there, and then the lower target could go as low as 66.59. So not a bad short idea here. If we get a wave up here to the $7,400 region, 74.60, in that ballpark, it might be a nice short to the downside. Plenty of reward there between $7,400 and $6,800. So not a bad short idea if you like to short. Otherwise, wait for that to come on down. That would be the idea, at least the trade idea. What I'm looking at, I'm going to wait for that to come on down and then take that long to the upside, as long as the wave structure validates that idea. Okay, so there's Bitcoin. Let's look at Ethereum very quickly. Let's see. Yep, looks like we're getting same kind of deal in Ethereum here. We've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a finished 5 waves, or unless you want to count that as a 3-wave structure, which I can as well. In fact, it's probably better as a 3-wave structure, but not sure. Either way, we got an A wave to the downside. We got a 3 waves to the upside, but I think we're going to get one more. We got boom, 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 and then we're going to get one more. Let's see. Let's check it out. Boom, 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 just like that. That's what I'm looking for. If it comes on down, we're gonna have to reevaluate the count. But it doesn't. This wave has invalidated this region, so this can't be a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. Okay, it can't be that because this region has encroached in the one region. So we're looking. That's telling me we're looking for a wave to the upside. Okay, where would that land if we get that in Ethereum? We'd look at it to be landing somewhere around 153 to 155 in that region. Much easier structure to look at than This is a much easier structure to look at than Bitcoin. It just seems to be a lot cleaner count. I like the wave shape and everything else. So I like that. It's not super precise here. There you go, something like that. 153 to 155 in Ethereum. Then we'd be looking to come down for the C leg as well. Where would that land if we get that? Let's check that out as well. It's all contingent upon if we get it. One's got to happen before the other. If we get this move up here to 153 or so, we'd be looking at our target somewhere around 141.80 to 138.63. 141.80 to 1 in this ballpark here. If we get that third wave down to the downside, and it looks like 5 completed waves, then what we're going to look for is a move to the upside after that. That's going to be a lot stronger. So let's watch and see how that comes down, and let's monitor that over the next couple of days. That's not going to come down today like that, so don't fret. We're going to be looking for this move to the upside here today or tonight or tomorrow morning. We'll see how it plays out. All right, Litecoin as well. Let's take a peek at a Litecoin quickly. Litecoin's a little bit more difficult, showing a little bit more downside potential here because it's just threatening a little harder. Might still get a little bit of a push down here, but that's okay. We've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we'd be coming up for a 1, 2, 3 to the upside. So it looks like we'd be getting another. Yeah, this is a little bit of a more tricky wave here. I'd be honest with you. Let's see. Let's do a little measuring here. I didn't peek at this before I started the video, so yeah. So this has a more likelihood of being a fifth wave here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Now, if we come on up here from here and break this region right there, that's just a 3-wave move. It's not going to be a 5-wave. So it all depends on what Litecoin wants to do right here. Do we go down for another low here to finish out 5 waves like that, or do we just come up from here? If we break this plane right here, then we're dealing with a 3-wave move here, or some other kind of move to the upside there. But we've got a motive wave down, a 3-wave move up, a 3-wave move down. Look like if we get a flat kind of structure, guys, then that would be a 3, and then we get a 5-wave to the upside. So we need this to turn into 5 really quick. That would be some kind of a leading diagonal there, which I don't like that. It doesn't look great as a leading diagonal, but that's what that would have to be. We'd have to have a 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. We'd have to get up here pretty quickly to that region. So I don't know. Litecoin is telling a little bit of a different. Litecoin's telling a little bit of a different tale than Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we'll have to monitor this move carefully. Litecoin looks like she wants to come on down first. Not sure about that, guys. Not sure about that at all. It's making me question all the counts. So what that's telling me is we got to be a little bit careful in this region. Nothing's for sure. Make sure we get some confirmation. So those are the trade ideas for today. Make sure we get confirmation as to whatever we're doing, whether we get to the upside or to the downside. Make sure you get confirmation. If you have no confirmation, it is, for me, a no trade zone. Once we get the confirmation, if we get down to our targets the way we want to, then we'll trade it up. If we get our move to the upside where we want to, then we'll trade it down. But if we don't get the move where we want it, we're going to skip the down. We're going to wait for the up. At least that's the way I think about it. All right, you guys have a fantastic day. It is a Monday, so yeah, make your best way back after a holiday weekend. Do your best and getting back to normal. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share the videos, and please comment. Let me know if you made it this far. Let me know if you made it all the way through the whole video. That'd be awesome. And until then, I'll see you tomorrow. Talk to you later. Bye bye.